Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for taking these few minutes for yourself. Find a comfortable place where you can be undisturbed. This could be your bed, a chair, a cushion on the floor, or even lying down. Just choose whatever feels most comfortable for your body right now. Once you've found your spot, go ahead and settle in. Take a moment to arrive fully to this space. When you're ready, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. There's no need to rush. Now, let's begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. You don't need to change anything about your breathing. You're not trying to breathe deeply or slowly or in any special way. You're simply noticing your breath as it naturally flows in and out of your body. Imagine that with each breath in, you're drawing in calm, peace, and ease. And with each breath out, you're releasing any tension, any worry, anything that no longer serves you. Let your attention settle on the sensation of your breath. Notice where you feel it most strongly, perhaps at the tip of your nose, or the back of your throat, or the rise and fall of your chest, or the expansion of your belly. Just notice where the breath is most present for you right now. There's no need to make anything happen. You're simply observing, simply noticing, like a kind witness to your own experience. As you continue to breathe, you might notice that your mind begins to wander. You might find yourself thinking about what you need to do later, or something someone said to you, or a memory, or a plan. This is completely normal. The mind's job is to think. When you notice that your mind has wandered, and it will, there's no judgment needed. You're not failing. In fact, this is the practice. Simply noticing when your mind has drifted, and then gently, with kindness, bringing your attention back to your breath. Let's try this together right now. Bring your awareness back to the natural flow of your breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth, or in and out however feels most natural for you. With each breath, imagine your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into whatever you're sitting or lying on. With each exhale, imagine releasing tightness from your shoulders, from your jaw, from any place in your body that's been holding stress. You might notice that as you relax your body, your mind also begins to settle. This is the beauty of meditation. The breath and the body naturally guide the mind toward calm. Continue breathing naturally. There's nothing to do, nothing to achieve. You are already complete, exactly as you are in this moment. If your mind wanders again, which it probably will, that's okay. With gentle awareness, simply bring it back to the breath. Again and again, as many times as needed. Each time you bring your attention back, you're strengthening your capacity for presence. You might start to notice other sensations in your body now. Warmth, heaviness, lightness, tingling. Whatever sensations arise, simply observe them with curiosity and kindness. You don't need to change them, just notice them and let them be. Feel free to deepen your breath if that feels good to you. Take one deeper inhale, bringing your awareness fully into your body, and a long, slow exhale, releasing completely. As we near the end of this meditation, know that this calm you're experiencing right now is always available to you. Even if it feels subtle, even if you feel like you're not doing it right, your nervous system is already receiving the benefits of this practice. Take 3 more breaths with me. A deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. In again and out. One more time. A full conscious breath in and a complete releasing exhale. Now, when you're ready, and there's no rush, begin to deepen your breath slightly. Notice your body resting beneath you. Notice sounds around you, if there are any. Notice the space you're in. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. You've just completed your first guided meditation, or perhaps one of many. Either way, I'm honored that you spent this time with yourself. This practice of returning to the breath, returning to the present moment, is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Take this calm with you into the rest of your day. You are stronger, clearer, and more peaceful than you were 5 minutes ago. Even if you can't feel it yet, trust that it's true. Thank you for practicing with me today.